Players for court number 7, Jefferson Rivera and Al Vecino versus Jovinson Villablanca and Irvin Bayani. Please proceed to court number 7. The Oblation Badminton Cup would like to thank our sponsors: Prudential, Majestic Immigration Singapore, Ayala Land International Singapore, Smiles Mobile Remittance, Austral Migration Consultancy, and the UP Alumni Association of Singapore. Court 2 line judges, Chris Fred and Nelson Gonzaga. Please proceed to court number 2. Chris Fred and Nelson Gonzaga, you're the line judges for court number 2. Thank you. Once again, calling the line judges for court number 2, Chris Fred and Nelson Gonzaga. Calling players Irvin and Jovinson Villablanca.
Satanista University. Satanista University.
Naka-practice naman si Oble.
Minsan Copper, minsan Brad.
Standby players for court number 8. Standby players for court number 8. Edison Soto and Valfred Orlosa versus Chris Fred and Nelson Gonzaga. Standby for court number 8. Standby players, court number 5. Court number 5, standby. Erico Lester Patricio and Chris Capiral versus Al Soriano and Abimer Magpayo. Standby for court number 5. Standby players for court number 1. Troy Cadalina and Aljan Mangahas versus Chris Crisostomo and Nico Ray Hipolito. Standby court number 1.
Gagaling! Gagaling!
Standby players, court number 6. Dennis Cayabyab and Jomari Rosales versus Emmanuel Saludo and RJ Magaling. Standby court number 6. Players for court number 8. Players for court number 8. Edison Suelto and Valfred Orlosa versus Chris Fred and Nelson Gonzaga. Court number 8 players, Edison Suelto and Valfred Orlosa versus Chris Fred and Nelson Gonzaga. Court number 8.
Wow! So good. Ba't tinakpan ng manahaw? Matatanggal.
Depende kung sino tumatanggal. Tingnan mo, meron din wala. Hindi ko yung special.
Nakaano din?
Calling players for court number 1, Troy Cadalina and Aljan Mangahas versus Chris Crisostomo and Nico Ray Hipolito. Court 1, Troy Cadalina and Aljan Mangahas
Manager, pwede
versus
magpasad?
Chris Crisostomo and Nico Ray Hipolito. Court 1.
Tapos na kayo magalaro?
Announcing top 8 for women's doubles lower. At number 8, Lynn and Irene Auxilio. At number 7, Teen Sario and Jonah Mendoza, Jonah Elorde, sorry about that. At number 7, Teen Sario and Jonaline Elorde. At number 6, Kathleen Mascareñas and Catherine Lim. At number 5, Karine Monter and Joanna Marie Medel. At number 4, Angel and Daniel Soriano. At number 3, Girly Kawayan and Ivy Agura. At number 2, Venge Buco Sanchez and Lita De Quito. And at rank 1, Don and Marian Daet.
Calling players for court number 3. Court number 3, Jomar Cabayao and Romeo Fernandez versus Ernie Soriano and Jay Wilson Mendoza. Jomar Cabayao and Romeo Fernandez versus Ernie Soriano and Jay Wilson Mendoza. Court number 3.